morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In our previous class we have studied about fractions and now we will study about our exercise number 2nd. Here we will study about reciprocal of a fraction. See what are reciprocal of a fraction, in which we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. Okay, if it is given like this, then if numerator is a and your denominator is a, you have to interchange it. It means b upon a. Whatever the number is given here, if it is given 3/2, then you have to interchange it. It will become 2/3. That is known as your reciprocal. Okay. See, we will do some of the examples so that you will understand about the reciprocal of fraction. You just have to remember, if we interchange our numerator and denominator, it will become a reciprocal. See, one example I will give you. 3/5. If we want to change it in a reciprocal, it will become 5/3. If it is given 4, then it will become 1/4. 4 means 4/1. It will become 1/4. Now see some examples we will do. Example number 9. 5/16 divided by 3/4. Here I want to explain you that if it is given divide is given here, so you have to put here multiply and interchange the next digit. Okay, see, just like here it is given 5/16. If you will change it into multiply, put your multiply and change the number, that is 4/3. Now divide it. 4 4s are 16. Now it will become 5/12. Okay. Example number 10. 7/15 divided by 10/15. Now here also if you have to change divide into multiply, just interchange the next digit. 7/15 multiply by 15/10. Here you can multiply, you can divide 15/15, so your answer is 7/10. See, no need to write these examples in your classwork copy. Just write exercise questions. Examples are already given in your text. See, now I will explain you some fractions. 17 divided by 1/30 or 30 divided by 1/17. See, 17 divided by 1/30, that is 17 change into multiply, 30/1. Now multiply it. Okay, you will get your answer. See here 1/30 means that is 30/1. You have to interchange this. 1 means it doesn't mean anything 1. So write here multiply it, that is 30 multiplied by 17. Okay, now so both the expressions. Now see, here we will multiply this one. See, both the questions are same, just they have interchanged the values. 30 multiplied by 17/1, that is 1 doesn't mean anything. So if you multiply this, there also you will get the same answer. There also you will get the same answer. Now see, question number 'Now we will start our exercise questions. I hope you understand this. Exercise 2B. Our first question is 3/5 5. If you interchange this in reciprocal, your question is find the reciprocal of the following. 3 by 5 means 5 by 3. B. 7 by 8 means 8 by 7. C. 11 by 7, that is 7 by 11. D. 5 means 1 by 5. C. Second, find A. 7 divided by 2 by 5. Here I have explained you in example that you have to change divide into multiply and interchange the digits. So it will become 7 into 5 by 2, that is 35 by 2 is your answer. Okay, now D. See, B is same as A, C is also same as A, D is also same as A. You can do it. F we will do 3 by 5 divide by 1 by 4. Here you have to change it. That is 3 by 5 multiply by 4 by 1. That is 12 by 5. G. 1 by 2 divide by 4 by 5. So 1 by 2 multiply by 5 by 4, that is 5 by 8. H. 2 1 by 2 divide by 3 by 5. See, here you have to change into, it is given in the mixed fraction, you have to change into fraction. 2 1 by 2 means 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 divide by 3 by 5. Now 5 by 2 interchange. First of all change into multiply, then interchange the digit. It is 5 by 3. 5 5s are 25 divide by 6. See, now 3. Solve the following. 1 has been done for you. For example, first question is given to you. Now we will start our second question. 2 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to n 2 into 2. That is 2 divided by 1 by 2, that you have to interchange, then you will get the answer. See, 2 into 2 by 1, that is 4 by 1, and here also you will get the answer is 4. C. 3 divided by 1 by 3, that is 3 into 3 by 1, 3 3s are 9, and here it is given 3 into 3, 9. See, all questions are same here. I will explain you last question. If 6 divided by 1 by 4 equal to 6 into 4 by 1 equal to 24, and 6 into 4, that is 24. Okay. Now question number 4 we will start. See, one question I will explain you. Do the following divisions and express the answer as a mixed fraction. Its answer you have to take in a mixed fraction. So see, 2 by 3 divide by 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 multiply by 5 by 1. So here you will get the answer 10 by 3. Now interchange it into mixed fraction. So how to interchange it? As you know, you have to divide 3 by 10. So 3 3s are 9. 1 is remaining here. So it is 3 1 by 3. Second, by 3 divide by 1 by 6, that is 2 by 3 multiply by 6, that is 6 to the 12, 12 by 3. Okay. So here if you want to change your answer will not, you will not get your answer in a mixed fraction because 3 is divisible by 12. So here you will get the answer 4 by 1. Three by 8 divide by 3 by 4. 3 by 8 multiply by 4 by 3. This 4 2s are 8. Here you will get 3 divided by 3. 1 by 2. See next question you do yourself. D, E, F, G and H. See fifth question. State whether the answer is greater or less than 1. Fifth question number A, I will explain you, and rest of the question you can do yourself. That are very easy. 2 by 3 divide by 2 by 1. 2 by 3 multiply by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 6. 1 by 3. So this number is less than 1. Okay. Next remaining questions you can do yourself. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask in our discussion group. I hope you understood everything. If you have any kind of doubt, ask me please. Okay.